Hey, welcome back to the Furnace Showcase at the Crafthouse. Thank you very much. Brought to you by music from the 412, 10-band Productions, and the Vault Recording. We're about to see Nomad live on stage, so without further ado, here's Nomad.
Thank you, Brian. Crafthouse, how we doing tonight? Yeah! It is showtime. See some hands, come on. You got it. Folks, it is showtime. You ready to have some fun with us? Let's do it. This was our first single off of our self-titled. It's called American Boy. Check it out. Well, I got sunshine. If I could catch it in a bottle, I would save it for a rainy day. American boy, small hometown, little slice of heaven everywhere I look around. Got a baseball field, a swimming pool, a fishing hole and more. Got everything I need and it's right outside of my front door. Can't imagine anywhere this way. There's so much to do, so much to see and to enjoy. Another day in the life of an American boy. Yeah. Sun comes up, new day starts. Got no worries on my mind and got no trouble in my heart. So I put on my baseball cap and take a walk outside. Feel the summer sun upon my face, it's great to be alive. Yeah, everything is possible, the world is at my feet. Sweet freedom always shines its light on me. I've got sunshine, if I could catch it in a bottle, I would save it for a rainy day. This blue sky, it stretch on forever. I wish every day could be this way. Whoa, there is so much to do, so much to see and to enjoy. Another day in the life, yeah, this American boy. Woo! When I lay my weary head to rest at night, oh, I could wake up knowing everything will be alright. Can I see your hands? Come on. Alright, yeah. 'Cause I got sunshine. If I could catch it in a bottle, I would save it for a rainy day. These blue skies that stretch on forever. I wish every day could be this way. Whoa, there is so much to do, so much to see and to enjoy. Another day in the life, yeah, of an American boy. Yeah, an American boy. American boy. Hey. Thank you so much. Keep it going here. This is another song off of our self-titled. It's called Hold On Tight. Mr. Morning, Sunday drive. Brush your hair back from your eyes. I can't remember when I seen you so alive, with your baby by your side. And I say, one day runs into another as we watch the time fly by. Today, all we have is each other. So baby, hold on tight. Fires glowing, moonlit sky. Close your eyes and know you're tired. I can't remember feeling so alive, with my baby by my side. And I say, one day runs into another as we watch the time fly by. Today, all we have is each other. So baby, hold on tight. And as we lie together, we're dreaming color, we're dreaming black and white. And the dream goes on and on and on and on. Yeah. One day, yeah, runs into another as we watch the time fly by. Oh, today, yeah, all we have's each other. So baby, hold on tight. And I say, one day, yeah, all we have's each other. We watch the time fly by. Oh, today, yeah, all we have's each other. So baby, hold on tight. Baby, hold on tight. Yeah. Baby, hold on tight. Thank you so much. Yeah, so didn't get to say it yet, but very happy to be here for the Furnace, music from the 412. Special thanks to TenbandTV for producing this whole thing. Very cool. They know their stuff. They got it going on, and we're happy to be part of it. So we're going to keep going here. Again, we're going to stick to the latest EP. The EP is called A Day Late. Bobby Kunkel, the master songwriter, wrote this one as well, and I mixed up the description a little earlier. This one's a little bit about reminiscing, just about the past in general. Check it out. It's called The Way Things Used to Be. You know I can't believe it's been 40 years since don't stop believing. Seems like it was yesterday. It was a better time. We were young at heart and without a worry. Well, at least it seemed that way. And all those memories coming back so easily, just like a time machine inside of me. Times are changing, times are strange, and nothing ever stays the same. But I can't stop thinking about the way things used to be. Well, time moves on, and everything that was is gone. But I can't help thinking about the way things used to be. Whoa, 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 yeah, yeah, yeah. Whoa, 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 yeah. You know I can't believe it's been 21 years since 9/11. Seems like it was yesterday. And now we see the world through a jaded eye and a heart that is colder. Now tell me, ain't that a shame? Now turning back the tide is something I would die for, and never say goodbye to a better time. Well, times are changing, times are strange, and nothing ever stays the same. But I can't stop thinking about the way things used to be. Well, time moves on, and everything that was is gone. But I can't help thinking about the way things used to be. Whoa, 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 yeah, yeah, yeah. Whoa, 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 yeah. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yeah, yeah. Whoa, 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 yeah. The way things used to be. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yeah, yeah. Whoa, 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 yeah. The way things used to be. Thank you so much.
Mr. David August singing hard for you tonight.
Thank you so much, Jay. Appreciate it. All right. When we were putting together this little set, we kind of forgot to add this one, so we're adding it in tonight. It's an upbeat little ditty, something we guys like to do and have always liked to do. A song called Watch the Girls. Let's do it. The same thing happened to me yesterday. I thought that I was sure, found the one that I was looking for. Now I'm content to sit and smile and stare and watch the girls go by. Everywhere I look, I see a girl more beautiful than she was. Hips and lips and points so wide, it's enough to make a grown man want to cry. Just took my breath away, and if she'd stop and stay, I'd make her mine. Speak, my tongue is tied, my knees are weak, and I can't seem to move from this position. Don't accuse me, keep your hands round your knee, and you can take back your political correction. Ooh, I just fell in love today. The same thing happened to me yesterday. I thought that I was sure, found the one that I was looking for. Now I'm content to sit and smile and stare and watch the girls go by. Right here, fiddle. Well, someday soon, just not sure when I'll change the tune. Maybe that's just when and where I'll find her. But for now, I'll keep on wondering how those girls can stop me coach back in the dead of summer. The same thing happened to me yesterday. I thought that I was sure, found the one that I was looking for. Now I'm content to sit, smile and stare and watch the girls go by. Yeah. Again, Mr. Jay Pfeiffer on the lead, Mr. Luke Zacco on the lead. Thank you so much. That is still a fun song. That's off our first one. It's off our first release called Born and Raised, and still to me is a fun song to do every time we do it. So, we always say during our first set that we're contractually obligated to do one slow song, and that's what we're going to do right here. In the middle of this set, we're going to do one of our ballads off of our self-titled, again, a Bobby Kunkel penned original. It's called...
Did you get that drummer to stop doing stuff?
No, please, stop it, please. It's called New Mexico. Check it out. And he left on a cold spring day 7 months ago. She left an old steel town for the warm air of New Mexico. We were never more than friends, but I wish that we would be. I thought a little more time and I could make her see. But that desert air was calling her so far away from me. And that's a long way from what is and what should be. 'Cause I should have made her stay, I should have found a way. I should have made her see how she could be my world for all time. I should have let her know, I should have told her so. place, an empty space where my heart used to reside. I should have never let her go to New Mexico. She said she'd call every Sunday and she would always keep her word. When she called, her voice was the sweetest sound I ever heard. She told me how she'd settled in and found a place of her own. She said with a little more time it just might feel like home. And then she said I met someone and he's an awful lot like you. I told her I was happy, but Lord knows that wasn't true. 'Cause I should have made her stay, I should have found a way. I should have made her see how she could be my world for all time. I should have let her know, I should have told her so. Now there's just a place, an empty space where my heart used to reside. I should have never let her go to New Mexico. Myself, she's gone. I see her face each place I go. A memory just won't let me go. I wanna see those pale blue eyes and hold beneath that desert sky. The time just keeps me wandering and thinking about what might have been. Because I should have been stay, I should have found a way. I should have see how she could be my world for all time. I should have let her know, I should have told her so. Now there's just a place, an empty space where my heart used to reside. I should have never let her go to New Mexico. And he left on a cold spring day 7 months ago. Thank you so much. Again, that's off the self. Oh, yeah, that is off the self-titled. I had to double think that. So we're going to stick to that time frame as well. We're going to pick it up a little bit here. I call this next one a little bit of funky country. At least that's what I think it is. And I think a lot of ladies can relate to this one. It's called City Girl, Country Girl. Check it out. Well, my baby, she's up at dawn and she heads out to the barn. She feeds the ducks, the horses and the chickens on her mama and her daddy's farm. Clean and pretty by 8 a.m. and she gets in a car and drives down to the city, the big, big city where she works from 9 to 5. Woo! Well, she rolls in about 9 a.m. and all the boys just stop and stare. She got feathers on her dress, hair on her stockings, cool silk in her hair. She doesn't quite fit in with the crowd, but it's oh so plain to see. She's so pretty, so pretty, like nothing they've ever seen. She's a farm town girl in a metro world, but that's alright, but that's alright. She's a barnyard mess in a Gucci dress. She's my city girl, my country girl, she's all I'll ever need. My best of both worlds, baby, always right for me. From those neon lights to those cold-field lines, she's a mix of fish just fine. She's my city girl, my country girl, she's how mine. just what she wants. Dinner's at the finest place in town, and I'm dancing at the honky-tonk. In a little black dress and high-heel shoes, or a sweater and no blue jeans. In an old straw hat and cowboy boots, well, she still looks fine to me. She's a redneck girl in high heels and pearls, but that's alright, but that's alright. She's a hayseed lass with a touch of class. She's my city girl, my country girl, she's all I'll ever need. My best of both worlds, baby, all that's right for me. From those neon lights to those cornfield nights, she's a mix that fits just fine. She's my city girl, my country girl, she's all mine. Yes. Yes, she is. She can shake it like Shakira, she can shoot like Daniel. When it comes to how she likes her love, and I'm the only one who knows. She's my city girl, my country girl, she's all I'll ever need. Can you help me out? Best of both worlds, baby, all that's right for me. From those neon lights to those cornfield nights, she's a mix that fits just fine. She's my city girl, my country girl, she's my city girl, my country girl, she's all I'll ever need. My best of both worlds, baby, all that's right for me. From those neon lights to those cornfield nights, she's a mix that fits just fine. She's my city girl, my country girl, she's all mine. Woo! From those neon lights to those cornfield nights. Yes. Thank you so much. It's one of my favorites. Off the self-titled. We're gonna kind of stay in that vein. Jump over to back actually to the debut CD, Born and Raised. Dancy little number here, something none of you should ever be. It's called Alone When You're Lonely. Yes, sir.
Hang on.
Okay.
Guess what?
Oh,
I got a fever,
oh boy.
and the only prescription is more cowbell.
Then you shall have it. It was a Saturday night of a 3-day bender. No one but me and my own bartender. And 10 or 12 of locals who were throwing them back again. Well, it was just about 20 after 10 when I saw her running her fingers round that long neck bottle. She looked like she was thinking about drinking away a man. So I took her 1 step, 2 steps, 3 steps closer. I gave her this advice: don't be alone when you're lonely. You're far too fine to sit here all by yourself. It's just a waste of time. Yeah, you can cry on my shoulder if that's what you need. Hold a light in your heart, go on and let it bleed. Don't be alone when you're lonely, 'cause lonely is nowhere to be. Well, she smiled, said thank you, and she said my name is Lisa. And I said, Lisa, honey, I'm glad to meet folks. This here's a good old drinking song called Three Margaritas. Check it out. We stopped off at the border. The flared dress was just a quarter. I didn't plan on being there for more than a drink or two. Silhouettes in skin tight, they're watching me from out of sight. What could they say to me that'll make me stick around tonight? We'll go and get us 3 margaritas. The might just go straight to our heads. My sister's name is Rosalita. She needs a friend to lean on. Yes, she does. Understood to a letter. I'm still leaving alone tonight till closing time. We're together. And then it got kind of strange, yeah. I guess they started to change. A couple of drinks, a collective mood swing. Stop thinking with my brain. They only had 3 margaritas. They must have gone straight to their heads. They swore that there was something between us. Would they misled to believe then? You never drank 3 margaritas. Just one would go straight to our heads. And a guy like you just might take advantage of things we said but never made. Well, eyes across the room at each other. I don't think I could be with another. Why'd you let it get out of hand? Out of hand, out of hand, yeah. Well, I wonder what we'd be like together. I'm talking about the now, not forever. Can't let this moment slip through our hands, through our hands, through our hands. Go and get us 3 margaritas. The night just goes straight to our heads. My sister's name is Rosalita. She needs a friend to lean on. They only had 3 margaritas. They must have gone straight to their heads. They swore that there was something between us. Would they misled to believe it? Oh, now. Now, now, now. We'll go and get us 3 margaritas. Yeah. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. I want to say thanks again one more time here to TenbandTV for having this production tonight and inviting us along. We appreciate it. Here on The Furnace, music from the 412. I think we did a little Facebook living and such, so hopefully some folks check that out as well.
Another big hand for the Bentley Hardware Company.
That's right. That's right. Great job as always. We've gotten to do a few shows with those guys a few times over the years, and they're always on point. So thank you guys as well. All right, we're going to jump forward now to our latest EP once again. This is a song that was written by a former member of Nomad,
and I guess we got his blessing to continue doing it. But we love the song so much, we definitely wanted to keep it in the show. We're gonna do it for you right now. It's called Partners in Crime.
Here I go again, making the wrong choice every time. No matter how it might begin, I always feel the end creeping up behind. Don't you tell me, baby, oh, not this time. I don't think my heart can take another lonesome night. Always be by your side, always come along for the ride. Baby, you and me, we will always be partners in crime. She led me astray, made me believe I was the only one. Funny how it works that way when you can see it in the light of the sun. Don't you tell me, baby, oh, not this time. I really think my heart might break if you would say goodbye. Well, I will always be by your side, always come along for the ride. Baby, you and me, we will always be partners in crime. Well, any time of day or night, you just name the place and the time. You can count on me, we will always be partners in crime. I will always be by your side, always come along for the ride. Baby, you and me, we will always be partners in crime. Any time of day or night, you just name the place and the time. You can count on me, we will always be partners in crime. Here I go again.
Thank you. That's the power pop country side of Nomad right there, I guess you'd call it. All right, folks. I think we got one more for you here, if you don't mind. We're going to take you back to the very first release, the Born and Raised disc, the Born and Raised release, whatever we're calling it these days. I'm very honored to say that I had most of the hand in writing this next song. It was just a song about where we come from and just kind of a statement to say that the good country music exists north of the Mason-Dixon line as well. So it's self-titled. It's same name as the band. It's called North of Mason-Dixon. We're not going there, are we? Okay, let's do it. Thank you, sir.
I'll be heading north of Mason-Dixon, across the West Virginia line, heading home to see my baby. You know I'll be on time. Well, you know I'll be on time. It's been a long time since I crossed that line, since I've been let out of the cage. Ain't seen no sunshine There ain't no doubt it takes its toll. Well, it just won't do to stick like glue. This is where I draw the line. Nowhere inside, I grab my hat. Gonna get it right this time. I'll be heading north of Mason-Dixon, across the West Virginia line. Heading home to see my baby. You know I'll be on time. I'll hit that good old PA Turnpike. Get on I-79. Ain't nothing gonna hold me back. Can't wait to see the sign. Virginia line, heading home to see my baby. You know I'll be on time. Heading home to see my baby. I'm gonna be on time. Get on PA Turnpike, get on I-79. Ain't nothing gonna hold me back. Can't wait to see the sign. Yeah. Thank y'all so much tonight. We appreciate it. Well, I can't wait to see the signs. Yeah. Thanks so much, everybody. We are north of Mason-Dixon, better known as Nomad. Thanks for coming out. Thanks for having us. Be safe, everybody. Enjoy the night. Thanks, everybody.